Video number 2. The movie. Good morning, dear teacher and classmates. I'm Italmis Martinez. I'm 27 years old. I'm a psychology student of Open and Distant National University, and now I'm going to answer the next question about my favorite movie. 1. The movie is The Pursuit of Happiness. 2. The amazing movie begins with the life of a man in San Francisco, California, USA. His name is Chris Gard. He has a wife called Linda and a son called Christopher. They live in the downtown and they invested all their savings to buy many bone-density scanners. But they didn't know if those were an unnecessary luxury. For that reason, their lives made very difficult, until Linda decided to leave her family to go to New York. Then Chris and his son follow with their lives trying to get out go ahead. Then, in the note, Chris begins to do practice in a broker's company because he knew the Jay Twistle, a businessman that saw to Chris earning a magic cube in a trip by taxi. So that Jay was surprised a lot of by the Chris ability. Those practice consists in to work without payment by 6 months, and then between 20 employees. The managers will choose the best salesman to become the new broker. He and his son had many problems and challenges like sleeping at night in a bathroom, don't have a house or place where to sleep always, or trying to live with some dollars and cents and 2 scanners to sell. And finally, in the ending, after 6 months, Chris has been living with his son in different places and he has been studying, working and trying to survive with little dollars. He has given all by himself that the only he hopes is to be chosen as the new broker. After Chris presented the exam, he felt quiet and calm, because he knew the decision was to take time. The time passed until the wait gave its fruits. The manager of the company called to Chris to his office where Jay with the managers. Mr. Brown said to Chris to sit down, and he said to him that the suite was very elegant and he waited that tomorrow to use it, because would be the first day as broker. Chris couldn't believe it, so he thanked them and accepted the work. Then Chris left of the office and he went to meet with his son. He was too happy that they said that moment was the true happiness. 3. With this movie, I learned that there is to be persistent before the difficulties. The study is the best option to get out, go ahead, and to reach the goals. In the life, sometimes we need difficult situations to build the best versions of ourselves, and it's important to hope for reaching the goals and dreams. 4. I felt important to see the main characters to receive bad things, even so trying to do it the best. I felt sad to see the social reality in the sometimes we can find us in the world. I felt motivated to see that he reached his dreaming and goals, and he was able to get out, go ahead. And I felt angry to see how some people take advantage of others in some situations. 5. I relate the move with the academic program that I'm studying because the movie showed different emotions and behaviors of the people in the real world. The movie makes feel empathy with the emotions and experience that the characters live daily, and the people shows emotion according the situation in that they are, as the poorness of the unemployment between others. 6. Another ending for the movie could be that Linda, the Chris wife, hadn't gone to New York, and she had been with her family, helping them to get out ahead and to reach their dreams and goals as an exemplary family. And this brought to show the family junction and that if one family is united, always could be the best each day.